Understanding Homemade Sandwich, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and delicious topic, homemade sandwich. This phrase is not only about food but also rich in cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's dive in and understand what makes a sandwich homemade, and why it's important in English-speaking cultures. Homemade sandwich consists of two words, homemade and sandwich. Let's look at each word separately. Homemade. This word is an adjective, which means made at home, rather than bought from a store. It implies a sense of personal touch, care, and often, higher quality or healthiness. Sandwich. A sandwich is a popular food item, typically consisting of two slices of bread with meat, cheese, vegetables, or other fillings in between. So, when we say homemade sandwich, we're talking about a sandwich made at home, usually with fresh ingredients and a personal touch. In English-speaking countries, a homemade sandwich is often seen as a healthier, more economical, and more thoughtful alternative to buying pre-made sandwiches from a store or restaurant. Examples in context. 1. Lunch choices. I prefer bringing a homemade sandwich to work rather than buying fast food. 2. Health and nutrition. My doctor advised me to eat homemade sandwiches to control my diet better. 3. Parenting and care. Every morning, my mom used to make me a homemade sandwich for school lunch. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and its positive connotations. There are several variations and related phrases that you might hear. Understanding these will help you get a fuller picture of how homemade is used in English. Home-cooked meal. Similar to a homemade sandwich, this refers to any meal prepared at home. Store-bought versus homemade. This comparison is often used to discuss the difference in quality or healthiness between something made at home and something purchased from a store. And that's a wrap on homemade sandwich. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also its cultural significance. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but the stories and contexts behind them. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy a delicious homemade sandwich now and then. See you in our next video.